Love Island star Lucie Donlan paraded her svelte figure in a sports bra and a pair of denim shorts as she hit the waves for an afternoon surfing. The Cornish native, who is a keen surfer, made the most of the recent bout of sunshine as she made her way to the clear blue waters near her home. Sat in the back of the van, the former ITV star turned up the heat as she showed off her trim frame in a pair of high-waisted shorts and a figure-hugging black bra. Smiling for the camera and displaying her sun-kissed skin, the top hugged her chest in all the right places as well as drawing users' peepers to her toned midriff. With her toned pins just out of the shot, Lucie's bust reigned supreme in the sun-soaked snap. Flaunting her natural beauty, the reality TV star opted against makeup and instead crimped her trademark blonde tresses. She simply captioned the shot one time. In another equally tantalising shot, Lucie uploaded a short clip of herself rocking an unbuttoned wetsuit, slashed to her navel. Moving the camera around her gym-honed physique, she once again displayed her cleavage in her trusty sport bra. The suggestive snaps come after the natural stunner posed in another and summer's design from her collaboration with the high street retailer. Lucie became the face of the lingerie giant's Knickerbox Planet collection earlier this year and has been modeling a variety of risque items from the range. Taken on the beach, the beauty showed off her model credentials in a matching two-piece comprising a cutout bra and sheer black undies. Using sex appeal and leaving jaws on the floor, the blonde bombshell looked sensational as she ran her hand through her long, luscious tresses.